How to get free crypto via Nano faucets. Nano is a feeless, energy-light cryptocurrency that moves instantly. Many community faucets give away tiny amounts of Nano so newcomers can test the network. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through two simple phases: creating a secure Nano wallet with Nano, then claiming free coins from reputable faucets. Phase 1. Create a wallet. Open your browser and go to nano.cc. Press the blue button labeled Configure Wallet. Then click New Wallet. Choose a strong password to encrypt the wallet in your browser. The site will show you a 24-word secret phrase. Read it carefully. Write the words on paper in the exact order and store the paper offline. Never take a screenshot and never share the phrase with anyone. Whoever has it can take your money. Click the checkbox that says, "I have securely stored the secret recovery seed and/or mnemonic." Then click Create Wallet. Now that your wallet is created, you can click View Accounts. Nalt now displays your public receiving address. It starts with nano _ followed by a long string. Click Copy Address or manually highlight and copy it. This address is safe to share. It is the one you will paste into every faucet. Phase 2. Get free crypto via faucets. Go to hub.nano.org and search for faucet in the search field. Here you can see a list of faucets that give away a small amount of free Nano. Now we will enter some of the faucets. First, we try Nano Drop. Paste your Nano address into the input field. Click the checkbox labeled Send 0.0001 Nano. Switch back to null and watch the incoming transaction appear, usually within 2 seconds. Now we can repeat this by going back to hub.nano.org and trying some of the other faucets that are listed. Some faucets allow claims every 5 minutes, others every hour or every day.